In the previous class, you have learned about types of fiber and their sources. Just I recall the previous class in 6th standard what you studied in fiber to fabric lesson. What is fiber? What is fiber? A fiber is a single hair-like strand. What is fiber? A fiber is a single hair-like strand. All fabrics are made from fiber. What is meant by fabric? Fabric means cloth. What is meant by fiber? It is a raw material such as cotton, jute and cord. Okay, let's see types of fiber. Fibers are classified into two types. One is natural fiber and another one is synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. It is a human made fiber. Chemical substance, using chemical substance வச்சு human ready பண்றனால இது வந்து human made fiber. Okay, the example of the plant fiber is one is cotton and another one is jute and another one is cord. Example of the animal fiber is wool and silk. Example of the synthetic fiber rayon, acrylic, polyester. These are the example of the synthetic fiber. Okay, types of fiber. Let's see types of fiber. Fibers are classified into two types. One is natural fiber, another one is synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. The example of the plant fiber is cotton, jute, cord. Cotton is obtained from cotton plant. Cotton is obtained from cotton plant. And jute is obtained from stem of the jute plant. Stem of the jute plant. Jute plant oda தண்டுல இருந்து jute fiber எடுக்கறாங்க. And core is obtained from outer covering of the coconut fruits. Outer covering of coconut fruits. Cotton is obtained from cotton plant and jute is obtained from stem of the jute plant and core is obtained from outer covering of the coconut plant. What is jute? Jute means sanal. Wool is obtained from sheep. Besides sheep, some other animals are obtained wool. For example, yak, llama and vicuna. Silk is obtained from cocoon. Pattupulu. Let's see what is fiber. Fiber is a single hair-like strand. All fabrics are made from fiber. What is meant by fabric? Fabric means cloth and fiber means cotton, jute and cord. Next see types of fiber. Fibers are classified into two types. One is natural fiber and another one is synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Example of the natural fiber: cotton, jute, core. And example of the animal fiber is wool and silk. And cotton is obtained from cotton plant la irundhu kediki, and jute fiber vandu jute plant la irundhu, stem of the jute plant, stem na enadhu thandu, and outer covering of the coconut fruit la irundhu core fiber kediki. And synthetic fibers are, it is artificially and also it is a human made fiber. eppdina chemical substance use panni human made பண்ணுவாங்க. example enadhu rayon, acrylic, polyester, these are the example of the synthetic fiber. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன already you studied in the previous classes in 6th standard. Today in this lesson, today we are going to see about animal fibers. Example of the animal fiber is wool and silk. First I just recall the previous topic what you have studied in 6th standard. In 7th standard, in this lesson fiber to fabric, we are going to see about animal fibers such as wool and silk, and also learn the process to use to convert fiber into fabric. First we see about animal fiber. Wool. Wool is Tamil meaning is kampali. Animal that eat wool. The bodies of certain animals such as sheep, goat, yak are covered by a thick coat of hair. நீங்கள் ஷீப் பார்த்துருப்பீங்களா? ஷீப்னா என்னது? கம்பளி ஆடு. அதில் என்ன, அதை சுற்றி என்ன இருக்கும்? நிறைய முடியாக இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் திஸ் இஸ் த பிக்சர் ஆஃப் ஷீப். அதில் என்ன இருக்குது? நிறைய திக் கோட் ஆஃப் ஹேர் இருக்குது. இந்த கார் தான் என்னது? ஃப்ளீஸ். தி கோட் ஆஃப் ஹேர் இஸ் கால்ட் ஃப்ளீஸ். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த பிக்சர் ஆஃப் ஷீப். ஷீப் மீன்ஸ் செம்பரியாடு. தி கோட் ஆஃப் ஹேர் இஸ் கால்ட் ஃப்ளீஸ். திஸ் கோட் ஆஃப் ஹேர் இஸ் கால்ட் ஃப்ளீஸ். It protect the animal from cold. It also, this hair is used to protect the animal from cold la irundhom, adhaadu kulir la irundhom animals paadhikaakum. Wool is obtained from fleece of animals. Wool edhula irundhu edupanga, asadhu kambali edhula irundhu edupanga? Indha animal oda fleece of hairs la irundhu, adhula irundha enna edukanga? Wool edukanga. First, beside the sheep, some other animals also provides wools. First we are going to see about Angora coat. This is the picture of Angora coat. Angora coat, it furnishes beautiful white wool, commercially known as mohair. It furnishes beautiful, Angora coat furnishes beautifully white wool. Commercially its name is mohair. Next we see about Angora rabbit. This is the picture of Angora rabbit. It provides less wool. This is a picture of Angora rabbit. It provides less wool, but it is very expensive. Next, Kashmiri coat. This is the picture of Kashmiri coat. Kashmiri coat, it is obtained from the undercoat of Kashmiri coat. Kashmiri coat la irundhu enna kadaikke namalukku wool kadaikke. Next, it is famous for Pashminaa shawl. It is famous for Pashminaa shawl. ஸோ காஷ்மீரி கோட்லேருந்து கிடைக்கிற உள்ளேருந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? பாஷ்மினா ஷால்ஸ் வந்து தயார் பண்ணுறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் we see about camel. Already camel hair is obtained from the camel. Camelலேருந்து கிடைக்கிற ஹேர்லேருந்து wool ரெடி பண்ணுறாங்க. It is very soft. Next vicuna. This is picture of vicuna. It yield the softest wool in the yield. It yield very softest wool in the world. It is a member of llama family. It is also the member of llama family. This is llama. So llama, vicuna is a member of llama family. This is the picture of llama. Next we see about yak. It is also a source of wool. So beside the sheep, some other animals are produced wool. First we see about Angora coat, and it is furnishes a beautiful white wool, commercially known as mohair. This is a picture of Angora coat. Next, Angora rabbit, it provides less wool, but it is very expensive. Angora rabbit provides less wool, but it is very expensive. Next, Kashmiri coat is obtained the undercoat of Kashmiri coat. It is famous for Pashminaa shawl. Kashmiri coat is famous for Pashminaa shawls. Camel hair is also camel hair is obtained from the camel. எங்க இருந்து கிடைக்கு? camel hair, camel இருந்து இது பண்ணுவாங்க. It is very soft. Next, Viguna, it yields the softest wool in the world. It is a member of llama family. This is a picture of Viguna. It yields the softest wool. World le idha enadhu softest wool la vandu produce பண்ணுது. It is a member of llama family. Next, yak. Yak is it is also the sources of wool. Okay, do you understand? Next we see about properties of wool. Wool is elastic in nature because you take the woolen cloth and crinkle it, it brings back into shape. அதாவது நம்ம woolen cloth வந்து எவ்வளோ இழுத்தாலும் திரும்பி அந்த ஷேப்புக்கே வந்துடும். So wool is elastic in nature. It is more resistant to tearing. ஈஸியாக நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, அதை வந்து கிழிக்க அந்த மாதிரி முடியாது. It is a purest conductor of heat. Wool is a poorest conductor of heat. அப்போ வந்து என்ன பண்ணாது, ஹீட்டை கண்டக்ட் பண்ணாது. Because woolen fiber க்கு இடையில வந்து air வந்து நிறைய இருக்கும். Because it traps the large amount of air between its fiber. நம்மளுக்கு யாருக்கா தீ பிடிச்சது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், கம்பளியை வச்சு தானே இது பண்ணுவோம். அது ஏன்னா wool வந்து ஹீட்டை வந்து கண்டக்ட் பண்ணாது. It is a bad conductor of heat. It locks the heat which why garments made of wool is wool or warm. இது வந்து ஹீட்டை லாக் பண்ணுறதுனால நம்ம வந்து நம்ம உள்ளன் கிளாத்தை எப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், குளிர் டைமில் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு கொஞ்சம் வெதுப்பாக வார்மாக வச்சுருக்கும். இட் ட்ரைஸ் வெரி ஃபாஸ்ட், ஸோ இட் இஸ் கன்வீனியன்ட் டு. இது மாதிரி உள்ளன் கிளாத் வந்து ஈஸிலி ட்ரை. நம்ம டேக்கன் உள்ளன் கிளாத் அண்ட் காட்டன் கிளாத்தை ரெண்டுத்தையும் இது பண்ணி போட்டோம்னா உள்ளன் கிளாத்ஸ் ஆர் ஈஸிலி dries because so it is convenient to use in winter season. அதனால நம்ம winter seasonல ஈஸியாக காஞ்சனால நம்ம woolen cloth யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். This is the properties of wool. Wool is elastic in nature because எவ்வளோ இழுத்துட்டு விட்டாலும் மீண்டும் back into the shape. So wool is elastic in nature. It is more resistant to tearing. ஈஸியாக நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, கிழிக்க முடியாது. It is the purest conductor of heat and also bad conductor of heat because it traps the large amount of air between its fiber. woolen fiber கடையில் என்ன இருக்கும், நிறைய ஏர் இருக்கும். அதனால இது வந்து ஹீட்டை வந்து கண்டக்ட் பண்ணாது. இட் லாக்ஸ் தி ஹீட் which is why நம்ம அதனால நம்மளுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், woolen cloth வந்து வார்மாக இருக்கும். அதனால நம்ம குளிர்காலங்களில் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், woolen cloth. It dries very fast, so it is convenient to use in winter season. ஈஸியாக காயிறனால நம்ம வந்து வின்டர் சீசனில் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு woolen cloth யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப கன்வீனியண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. Next we see about rearing of sheep. Rearing of sheep na என்னது, ஆடுகளை வளர்ப்பது. There are 40 different breeds of sheep. It produces 200 types of wool. Breeds na what is meaning of breeds? Breeds na என்னது, இனப்பெருக்கம். ஆடுகள்ல என்ன இருக்கு, 40 டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வகையான ஷீப்ஸ் இருக்கு. இட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் 200 டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் wool. The sheep also என்னெல்லாம் சாப்பிடும், eat grass, plants. Sheep eats grass, plants, soft leaves, plant or leaves இதெல்லாம் சாப்பிடும். And also rearer. What is mean by rearer? Rearer means ஆடுகளை வளர்ப்பவங்கள தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம், rearer, வளர்ப்பாளர்கள். The sheep eats grass and plants and also the rearer gives என்னெல்லாம் கொடுப்பாங்க, pearls and corn, பருப்பு வகைகள், corn, அதெல்லாம் rearers also gives to the sheep. The table shows some of the Indian breeds of sheep. First, name of the table shows some of the common Indian breeds of sheep. Indian breedsல some of the common இது வந்து இந்த the table shows some common Indian breeds of sheep. First, name of the breed and their quality of the wools and the states where these breed found. First one is Logi. Name of the breed name is Logi, and their quality of the wool is good quality of wool, and the states where these breed found, Rajasthan and Punjab. Next, Nali. The quality of the wool is carpet wool, and which state these breeds are found, Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. Next, Bakarwal. The quality of the wool is carpet wool. It gives carpet wools. In the states where these breeds are found is Jammu and Kashmir. This is the picture of Bakarwal. Next, Marwari. it goes coarse of wool. Coarse, what is meant by coarse? சொரசொரப்பான. அந்த wool எப்படி இருக்கும்? சொரசொரப்பாக இருக்கும். உள்ளோட குவாலிட்டி எப்படி இருக்கும்? சொரசொரப்பாக. The state where these இந்த வகையான breedல எங்க இருக்கும்? குஜராத்ல. The state where these breeds are found? Gujarat. Next, Patanwadi. Patanwadi வந்து for hosiery and the states where these wool found? Gujarat. Next, Rampur Bushar. These produce brown fleece. Already said fleece means thick coat of hair. Heat means thick coat of hair is called fleece. ஆடோட hair தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம வந்து fleece ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். The state where these breed run Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. These are the types of feed. First one is Logi. This is a picture of Logi. It produces good quality of wool. Rajasthan. The states where these breeds found Rajasthan and Punjab. Next, Nali. Nali இது carpet. Quality of the wool is carpet wool. It is used to make carpet. The states where these breeds are found Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. And Bakarwal is a carpet wool. The states where these breeds are found Jammu and Kashmir. And next is Marwari. Marwari is a coarse. It gives coats of wool. What is meant by coarse? It is a Sorasarapaga. The states where these breeds are found Gujarat. And Patanwadi for hosiery. The states these breeds are found Gujarat. And Rampur Bushari brown fleece. It produces brown fleece. And the states Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. These breeds are found. Okay. First one is Logi, and this is a picture of Logi, and this is a picture of Nalli, and this is the picture of Bakarwal, and this is Patanwadi, this is Rampur Bushar, and this is Marwari. This is the different types of sheep. In today's class, what we have learned, beside the sheep, some other animals also produce wool, such as Angora goat, Angora rabbit, llama, yak, and also the properties of wool, and also rearing of sheep. I hope you all must have understood today's topic. Thank you, students.